Can you count Spanish? Can you count in Spanish, Aki? Can you count in Spanish, baby? Aki, don't do that. O, game. Hi, guys. Aki will count in Spanish. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. How about in Japanese?
Ni, tan, gi, do, otu, nana, aki, yu, do.
You forgot ichi.
Iki, ni, tan, ki, do, otu, nana, aki, yu, do.
Very good. How about in English? 1,
1, 5, 7, 8, 9,
very good. How about in Tagalog?
10.
Isa,
Dalawa. Dalawa.
tatlo,
Tatlo.
amin,
Amin.
apat,
4.
lima,
Ma.
anim,
6.
pito,
7.
walo,
8.
siyam,
9.
sampu.
10.
Very good. Say bye-bye.
10.
Sampu. Very good. Show them the number 10.
10.
Oh, yun ang sampu. Very good. How about 11? Very good. Oh, Aki, 1 plus 1.
11.
2. 1 plus 2. Oh, how many?
3.
Very good. 1.
Nang ato and 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wait lang. Tatayunin na yung cellphone. Okay, game. 4 plus 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. How many? 4 plus 4.
8.
Very good. How about 3 plus 2?
8.
8. Hindi, ito. 3 plus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 3 plus 2.
5.
Very good talaga naman ang batang yan na.
5. 5.
Oh, 5.
5.
Yes. How about
5.
5? Ito 5.
Ito.
5 plus 5. How many?
10.
Very good.
12.
Huh?
12. 12.
Ano yun? 12. 12.
Wow!
Talino.